Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Section 10, AWS Serverless Web App. In this lesson, we'll explore how to build a serverless web application using AWS services. Serverless architectures allow you to build and deploy applications without managing servers, focusing on code rather than infrastructure. Here's an overview of how to build a serverless web application on AWS. 1. Front-end. Use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create the front-end of your web application. Host the front-end files in Amazon S3, a highly scalable object storage service. 2. Backend. Use AWS Lambda, a serverless compute service, to run the backend logic of your application. Use API Gateway to create RESTful APIs that connect your front-end to your backend Lambda functions. 3. Database. Use Amazon DynamoDB, a fully managed NoSQL database service, to store and retrieve data for your application. Configure your Lambda functions to interact with DynamoDB using the AWS SDK. 4. Authentication. Use Amazon Cognito, a managed authentication service, to add user sign-up, sign-in, and access control to your application. Secure your APIs using Cognito user pools to authenticate users and authorize access to resources. 5. Deployment. Use AWS CloudFormation or the AWS Management Console to deploy your serverless application. Configure your front-end to interact with your back-end APIs using the API Gateway URL. 6. Monitoring. Use Amazon CloudWatch to monitor the performance and health of your Lambda functions and API Gateway endpoints. Set up alarms to be notified of any issues with your application. 7. Scaling. AWS Lambda and API Gateway automatically scale to handle incoming traffic, so you don't need to worry about managing servers or capacity planning. DynamoDB also scales automatically to accommodate your application's read and write throughput requirements. By following these steps, you can build a serverless web application on AWS that is highly scalable, cost-effective, and easy to manage.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.